Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how you can edit your video using CapCut as a beginner. And if this is your first time seeing this channel, KY Brand Media, I would love you to subscribe to this channel because I will be feeding you with valuable information about video editing. Now let's dive into the game. Now open your phone. If you are using an iPhone, go to your App Store, allow it to load, type CapCut. Then they will show you different options. Just click on that first one. You can also download it on your Android phone. So once you click on it, they will show you something like this. The reason why this one is telling me to update that is because I have it on my phone before. But if you don't have it, they will ask you to download it. Once you download it, just come to your phone, then you will see it. Just click on it. Once you click on it, then will show you something like this. Click on that new project. They will show you something like this. Then this is where you need to select all the videos you want to edit. As you can see, I just click on one video. Once you press that add, they will automatically take you to this place. It is called timeline, where you edit your video. Now the first thing you will need to do after importing all the video to the timeline is to cut out all the unwanted parts.
You don't start.
Like this part that you just watched now, I don't want my audience to see it, so I click the video and then press this split, so I delete the ones I want to delete inside.
Hey bro, good afternoon.
As you can see, the video start where. Now the next thing to do is to click the video, then go to volume. You can decide to reduce it, or you can hide it by taking it to this 1000. You can reduce it by taking it to this 0. That depends on you and the kind of video you are editing. Now let's check the outcome.
Hey bro, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, bro. See,
I've been Hey bro, good afternoon.
Now this is the last part I want you to know. Just click on the video again, then look for reduce noise under it. That is it over there. Just click on it, then press that arrow on it. What that reduce noise does is that once you reduce the noise, it will reduce the noise of the background, some of the noise in the background. That will reduce it. Now you are ready to export your video, but before that, you know this thing over here, just click on it then and press the delete button. If you did not remove it, once you export your video, it will show at the end of your video. So now that you finished watching the video, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. In my next video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add text to your video and auto-generate text.